Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing assets and loading the model so you can act immediately. Load the SAM checkpoint you plan to use, SAM-VIT-H for best quality, SAM-VIT-B if memory is tight. Once the model is loaded, open the target image at its native resolution. This preserves detail. Then pick your first prompt, a single point for quick object pull or a tight box for whole object segmentation. Make sure to enable GPU if available, otherwise expect slower inference on CPU. You now refine the output by inspecting the candidate masks and choosing the correct one. Run the predictor with your initial prompt and look at the top 3 masks and their confidence scores, then add positive or negative points to resolve ambiguity. If objects touch, draw small boxes to split them. If you need broader context, expand the box. Also tweak mask threshold and IO threshold to control sharpness and overlap. This changes how conservative versus aggressive the mask is. You finish by exporting the chosen mask in the format your workflow requires, PNG for pixel editing or RLE for annotation tools, and save the model config so you can reproduce results. For many images, automate prompts and consider tiling very large pictures to keep performance smooth. If the mask lacks detail, increase image resolution or add more precise points. If masks incorrectly overlap, reduce IO threshold or provide negative points. Keep a short validation set to confirm change.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.